Hi all and welcome to this tutorial. Today we're going to be running through depositing and withdrawing funds onto and off the BEF platform. So to start off, we're going to log in to an account and then we want to navigate to the My Balance tab here. And this is the primary tab we're going to be focusing on during this session. Now in the My Balance tab, you can see your current funds deposited into the account. In this case, we have $104,000. We have a section called Required Actions, and this is where we verify withdrawals and verify deposits. And we also have history, where we can see our historic deposits and withdrawals as well. So if we wanted to deposit any funds, we want to click on the deposit button here. Now, what this does then is it shows us the bank details that we need to transfer funds to. Now, whenever making a deposit, you need to include this reference code here because this helps us identify your account. So if you're a US organization, you can click on the US bank account, or if you're international, click here and it will show you all the information you need to make that transfer. Now, the first time you ever do a deposit, you'll need to verify it because we need to verify that you wish to use this bank account for all subsequent withdrawals. Now, what I've done beforehand is I've done a deposit for $150,000, and now we've got the option to verify this deposit. So if I click verify, we'll have this option where it summarizes the deposit, it summarizes our bank information, and then what we want to do is click this drop down. Now, we can either decline the deposit, we can verify the deposit only, whereby we verify the deposit, but it doesn't mean that all future withdrawals will go to this bank account. Or we can go for option one, which is we verify the deposit and all future withdrawals will then go to this same bank account. In this case, we're going to go for one. If we then click save, submit, and there you have it. We've verified our deposit. Now, if we refresh the page, we'll see that this history section will be updated and will be complete. So you have it. I've just refreshed my page and we can see the deposit is now complete and our balance has increased by 150,000. Now, if we were to make a deposit using the same bank account that we've just verified, then we won't need to do any further verifications because that bank account is already verified. However, if we do any subsequent deposits with a different bank account, then we'll need to go through that verification process where then again, you can select whether that new bank account will be the one which withdrawals go to, or whether you're just accepting that one-off deposit. Now, that's the deposit process. If we then look at the withdrawal process, it's fairly similar. So we want to click this withdraw button here, of which we then need to provide the information as to how much we want to withdraw. So in our case, we're going to withdraw 1,000 units. And here we then need to put in our password and our PIN. And once ready, click the submit withdrawal request. Now, while this is processing, do not refresh your page. And there you have it. Our withdrawal request has been submitted. So what I've done is I've refreshed my page and now we can see that our balance has decreased by 1,000. If we look at history, we can see withdrawal of 1,000, the date of that withdrawal, and we can see it's pending verification. So if we go to the required action section, we then need to verify this withdrawal, and you need to do this every time you do a withdrawal. And this is going to go to the most recent bank account which you've verified to receive future withdrawals from. So we click the verify button. Again, we then get the details for the withdrawal, our bank details, and then we click I authorize to withdraw this, and then click verify withdrawal. And there you have it. The withdrawal request has been submitted and will be completed. And you'll notice that we no longer have any pending verifications, and this is now processing. So that money is now being transferred to your bank account. And once it's been transferred, this will then move to complete. So that's the deposit and withdrawal process on the BEF platform. If you have any questions or would like to talk to a member of our team, please contact us via support@thebef.org.